Okay, the supplies you would need for this tutorial are one wire wreath, or you can buy the round one, 1 spoon of ribbon, your choice in color, one mesh light. I bought this at the 99-cent store around Christmas time. 2 feathered boas, 1 package of stickers, package of cable ties. This is an option. I got some bling bling stickers. They call them stone stickers. Scissors and glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to tie down the lights onto the wreath. Now we're going to add our feather boa. We're going to start at the bottom. Take some glue. And then we're just going to start wrapping it around the wires. To make sure that the feathers stay secured on the wire, we're going to just put a little glue in certain places between the wire and the feathers. Just a little glue. Okay. Now I'm going to take our ribbon and make us a beautiful bow. Now we're going to take some of our hearts and we're just going to glue the pink ones down randomly on the feathers. Okay, fam, it's that time again. I have 5 great purchases I made. This time it's at the 99-cent store. Number 1, I got a paper hanging wreath. Isn't it cute? 2 decorative meshes. Some heart bushes. Bling, 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 bling. Some sequins. They had these on sale for 25 cents. They are getting rid of all the Christmas decorations. So I got this for 25 cents. Sequins. They had these for 50 cents. Love, welcome, believe. These were only 50 cents. And I'm going to do some very creative things with these. So I hope you like these 5 purchases I've made. Hurry up to the 99-cent store, especially while these are 50 cents. Have a good day.